Hi! Today I went on Instagram and asked you guys to send me questions about girly stuff, girl talk. I'm gonna be your sister, I guess, for the day, or mom, or whatever. I actually might invite my mom in here to answer some questions here and there that I can't answer myself because I'm like not completely sure and she might know. So hi, it's girl time. If you're a boy, get the heck out of here. You're not welcome. Sorry, but this video is for the ladies. Before I get into the questions, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by Luisa. It is a beautiful jewelry company. I am wearing their pieces around my neck right now. I'm so obsessed with them. Their jewelry is amazing. It's very sustainable. It's tarnish free, which is very important to me because it drives me insane when jewelry like turns colors or like, heck no, and this won't do that. They're very pretty, very dainty, very simple, but also have some different elements on their website. You can go check them out. The jewelry comes in these super cute bags. The jewelry I'm wearing is the Jusif, I think is how you pronounce it, like chain kind of choker. It's so cute. It's gold and it is so pretty. And then I'm wearing this necklace, and I got this one because it is my birthstone. It is an emerald, and I have a May birthday. It says May around it. Focus. And has a little emerald birthstone. It's super dainty and super cute. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these all the time. One of the many things that I love about Ana Luisa is that they are very versatile and I can wear them with a lot of different things. Am I out of focus? No. I'm wearing it with just a sweatshirt right now and it looks super good, and it just kind of spices up my very plain outfit a lot. You can wear this with literally everything though. Personally right now I'm wearing a lot of sweatshirts and stuff, and this is just a way to make me feel put together a little bit more. And this is perfect timing because Mother's Day is coming right around the corner, and Ana Luisa is running an exclusive deal for Mother's Day with prices ranging from $39 and up to higher end product. And this is a perfect gift. They actually have a very perfect necklace that I got from my mom. It says Mama. It's gold. I'll have a clip inserted of it. She has it on right now, and it's super perfect for Mother's Day. I bet your mom will love it. So right now on Ana Luisa for Mother's Day, you can buy one get one 35% off with the code MOM35. So definitely check it out. I'll have the link on the screen along with at the top of the description box for you guys to go check it out. It is analuisa.com/OliviaR, and yeah, go check it out. They have gorgeous pieces. I'm obsessed. My mom really likes the one I gave her, and yeah, it's a great gift. So go check it out. Treat yourself. You're a woman. Treat your mom. She's a woman. Women unite. Now let's get talking about women. Okay, so like I said, I went on Instagram and asked questions, and you guys gave me a bunch, and a lot of the questions revolved around periods. So that's what I'm going to start off talking about is periods. We all deal with it. All of us ladies deal with it. I'm just gonna start off with my first period story because I got a bunch of questions asking about my first period. So I was actually pretty young when I started my period. I was 11 years old in the 6th grade. Towards the end of my 6th grade year. I wasn't 12 yet, but I was almost 12. But I was 11, so I was pretty young. And basically I started at school in my 6th grade class. My tummy hurted. I started cramping, you know. So I like left the bathroom. I was like, and then I stayed, and my stomach was hurting so bad. I was cramping so bad. So I cried, and my parents came and got me, but I was so in denial of saying that my period started, so I just didn't tell my mom for like the first day. And I like went to her bathroom and found pads. They were way too big for my 11-year-old self, but whatever. And I was just in denial, I think, and embarrassed a little bit that I started my period, and I was like, didn't want to tell anyone, didn't want to tell my mom even, so I didn't. But then the next morning I like woke up and was like crying, and she came in and was like, and I was like, I started my period, and she was like, like every mom. And then I didn't go to school, and I went and got ice cream and bought teen pads my size. So that was my first period story. I was pretty much just in denial of it happening, which my mom told me she was in denial of hers. She was like, her sister was like, you started your period, and she was like, no I didn't. So going along with the topic of periods, I got questions about like tampons, because I guess some of you don't like know how to use a tampon or what the deal with tampons are. I use tampons. I don't use pads anymore. I used pads for the first few months of my period, and then I switched over to tampons because pads are gross. There's a box of tampons. I am going to demonstrate how it works just because I feel like I got a few questions on how they work, so I'm just gonna show you how to use one. Here's a tampon. This is what it looks like. It's not intimidating. It doesn't hurt unless you put it in wrong. So yeah, here she is. So again, goes in. You just stick it in like, I think like you stick it like basically in there, kind of. Well, you stick it like in that much maybe. I don't know. And then you just, you push, and as you push, you like pull it out a little bit, so you know. There, your tampon's in. That's what it looks like. Just kidding, don't throw that. Come back. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's moistened. Here's a cup of water. It expands. It's the whole point. It's like a butterfly. Here's the applicator empty, you know. After you use it, because you don't want to be gross in the bathroom, applicator. Trash can, so nobody has to touch or see. Okay, so now that the whole period talk's kind of, ugh, I'm gonna start talking about like confidence and insecurities and body image and all of that, because I got a lot of questions on that, and that's just, it sucks because I'm not the perfect person to go to, because obviously I have insecurities and I'm not perfect in any way. So like, I'm not good at talking about this because I don't even know how to deal with it barely. But if you feel like you're really like insecure at a certain time about something, or you're you're kind of being hateful towards yourself, I would just recommend staying off the internet, because you see so many other girls that in your eyes look perfect or have the perfect body or whatever, and it's just, comparison's really, really bad. So try to stay away from that as much as you can. I have to do that because I'm like the queen of comparing myself to other people, which is horrible, and it's just so bad. I hate doing it, but it's like a natural reflex for girls to compare themselves to each other, if that makes sense. And just kind of like think about, say I'm like bloated or something, and I'm like, oh my god, I hate my body, I want abs, I want to be skinnier, I want to be toned, I have no butt, blah, 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 whatever. I just have to think about the fact that some people might look at me and be like, oh my god, I want her body, which like is like a weird thing to say, but I feel like people are bouncing off of each other, comparing everywhere. Like Madison Beer probably has insecurities and compares herself to other people, but it's just like a girly thing, I guess. It can make yourself feel bad, and it can make others feel bad. Like if I'm like, oh my god, my forehead looks fucking huge, I could be making someone else be like, oh my god, my forehead must be literally massive if she thinks hers is big, which is kind of bad on both parts. It makes both persons feel really bad about themselves. So just try to like stop comparing yourself, which is really hard, I know. I don't think anyone's completely confident. There's like, everyone has insecurities. There cannot be a single person that's not insecure about something. I don't think that's possible. Boys, girls, everyone's insecure, so it's kind of just like, well, it is what it is. Okay. First kisses. Okay. So my first kiss was in, I think I was in 8th grade. He was in 9th grade. In school relationship type of boyfriend. I wasn't allowed to date until I was like 16, so. But my first kiss, I'm gonna tell the story because it's a good one. I was at a soccer game, sporting girlfriend, and you know, chilling, and then I was also playing soccer at the time. So I came from my soccer practice probably to his game, and it was raining. And he came out this is so like horrible. He came out and we're like talking or whatever, and then I'm like leaving, so like, you know, we hug. So I hug him, and then I lean out and he kisses me. He's like, but like bad, like I did not know it was coming. He was eating a sloppy Joe. Ooh. And he went really fast, and right after he goes, there's your first kiss. And I was like, you know, me like at the time like, yes. But thinking about it, I'm like, he really said there's your first kiss. Like, okay, that's my first kiss. First kisses, I don't think there is such thing as a good first kiss, because they're awkward and like you're young normally, so it's like just weird. I don't know, even if you're not young, you could be like 16, 17, 18 having your first kiss, and it's just gonna be awkward because you've never kissed someone. You're just like, you know, so they're awkward, and it is what it is. You have to get past it. Don't like make it mentally block you from ever kissing someone again. Okay. This is a question I really like. It's about birth control. Am I on it? What do I think about it? Effects, da-da-da-da. What is it? Birth control has very different, like many, there's many reasons why girls get on birth control. The number one thing, if we're being honest here, is because you don't want to have babies. Periods, acne. I feel like that's like the top things. I don't really know what else. I originally got on it for acne, and then my acne is like a little bit better. It's like still not that good, but whatever. And then I had really bad cramps, so I like upped a pill because my cramps were literally like so bad. I had bad cramps since I was 11, you know? You know, I also just don't want to have babies. Birth control comes in a little case. Get it from the doctor. I go to the gynecologist. Here she is. This is what it looks like. They're pills. I'm on the pill. There's different things. There's the thing that goes in you. Don't know what it's called. I'll put the name right here because I don't know. There's the like the shot. Ugh, scary. And I don't know if there's any more, but I'm on the pill the easy way, except you have to be responsible for the pill. You cannot just be like forgetting, because that is not how it works. But here's my pill. I take it every day at 9:30 at night before bed, you know. Just take it out, pop it, water, done. Help acne, specific ones. There's like so many different pills, by the way. Like the original one I got on was specific towards acne, and then it kind of worked, but then I had really bad cramps, so my doctor upped my dosage, I think, or like something like that to help the cramps. And yeah. That was all of the questions I'm gonna answer. If you have more questions you want to know about, I could do another one of these videos in the future. She could. But that's what I got for today. I kind of answered the topics. Kind of answered the like staple topics of girl talk. So yeah.
Yeah, you did good.
Yeah. Don't forget to check out Anna Luisa. It'll be at the top of the lake. Go get your mama something cute for Mother's Day.
Look, he's so cute.
It is really cute. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and my mom.
Sorry.
Yeah. That's all for today. Bye.